Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're gonna go shopping for under $15 summer fashions, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First are these twist tanks from Time and True. They have that high neckline, sleeveless, little detail, good length in the back, in the blue, ivory, green, and black, and they're $9.98. Time and True linen pants. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, cargo pocket, same fit through the back. In the True linen color, also comes in the black. They were originally $21.98. They're now $12.98. The Time and True swing tanks are under $8. They have that V neckline, relaxed fit, seam in the back, lots of new colors. There's green, brown, blue, fuchsia, black, red, white, that charcoal, and the Time and True pull-on shorts. It says they're $15. They have an elastic waistband, drawstring. I know some colors are on sale, so they have this stripe option in store, also the blue and white stripe. Ruche tees from Sofia Vergara. These have that crew neckline. They're ruching. They're stretchy. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $10. These sweaters from Free Assembly are also under $15. They have a crew neckline, the ribbed side, ribbed bottom. They're only $14. It also comes in pink, a lime green, and navy. This set from No Boundaries, I shared it in a haul. First time I'm seeing it in store, is down to $10, so it's $5 a piece. Has the strapless top, the little tie detail, peplum, flowy fit. Pants are elastic waistband, high rise, nice and flowy. Pants run a little big. Top runs on the smaller end of true to size. They were regularly $19.98, and now it's $10 for the two pieces. How cute. I think this is in the girls department. Yeah, it says one donation. Somebody put it back here, but I get these go up to 18, so it's going to be like a woman's large, and it looks like it is a relaxed fit. There's the 10-12 with the dolly and the flowers. I think they're $5.98 for the kids' tees. Lace trim tank from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, that lace top with the bow, fitted through the body, squared in the back. Inside it does have a built-in shelf bra, and these are $6.98. New set from No Boundaries. So this comes with the smock top, the little plaid shorts in the blue and white stripe, also that beige and white. The two pieces are $14.98. Also new twist dress from No Boundaries. So these have the puff sleeve, this little twist detail. It does have pads, but you could probably do a little slit and cut it out. It's a little flowy and then smocked in the back. How pretty is the pink? And then it also comes in the blue, and they're going to be $14.98. New shorts from No Boundaries. So these have that oversized smocked waistband, this little tie detail. They're flowy. You might want to size up at least one or two because they are pretty short. But how cute is that blue paisley? They also have this stripe. There's a red and pink, and they're going to be $7.98. New tees from Time and True. These have that plunging V. It has a soft burnout fabric, the flutter sleeve with that gauze material, relaxed fit, in the white, purple, green, and these are $9.98. You can't go wrong with a minimal flip-flop. These are from Time and True. These have the round toe. It's a padded strap in the black, also the tan and white, and they're $12.98. Good basic slides from Time and True. These have the square toe with the gold, the rubber, so they have that shimmer. They're going to go with everything, and then also this multicolor is going to go with so many different things, and those are $12.98. We also brought back these tier dresses from Time and True. So these have that crew neckline, short sleeves, tiers all the way down, nice and flowy with pockets. In the navy, also comes in teal. They have it black and green, and they're $11.98. And then a new dress from No Boundaries. So these are a little different than the other dresses. These have thin strap, and then the material at the top is a little different, but it has a poplin skirt, also has pockets with the seam in the back. Cute look for less Hawaiian tops. These are only $12.98. These are in the men's section from George, very lightweight. The little marbled buttons in the red and white. They also have that tropical print, and then the palm leaves. On this side they have a gray and a beige and white, and then some more Hawaiian floral prints. The new bucket hats from Time and Tru. So these have that bigger brim or smaller brim with the bigger top, and the brown also comes in black. Those are $8.97. New tanks from Time and Tru. These have that thick strap, the squared neckline, relaxed fit with the buttons in the back. In the white and blue, also comes in that green and pink pom, the white and blue stripe, and the black. And they are $12.98. New eyelet splitter sleeve tops from Time and Tru. These have that plunging V, the side seam detail, relaxed fit in the white, also comes in black, and they're $13.98. In the big band tees, now they have Johnny Cash in this brown. We saw the Doors, we also saw, I think it was Nirvana, and they all have this like tour graphic on the back. Oh, also Tupac. They're all $12.98. New pajama sets from No Boundaries. So you could wear these. They don't have to be as pajamas, but they're in the pajama section in most stores. So these have that crew neckline, short sleeve. They're shorter through the front and the back. The shorts are pull-on. They have the little dolphin hem with Saint-Tropez. They have Malibu with the cherries, the red shorts. Miami with the orange, the little yellow shorts. Palm Springs, the green, Amalfi Coast in the white and blue, and then Capri in the gray, and the two pieces are $12.98. So here's the medium. It looks true to size to me, but the shorts are a little short. New print in the tie front top from No Boundaries. So this has the cap sleeve, scoop neckline, the little tie, and then it's flowy through the back. Now in this white with the sunflower, we also saw it in the white with the blue floral, and they're $12.98. Also comes in this linen color, and they're gonna be $13.50. New denim shorts from Celebrity Pink. These are called Flip Fray, so it has the cuff with the little slide with the fringe, side pocket, the heart button feeding through the front, also in the back. And they are going to be $13.50. New peplums from Celebrity Pink. It has that crochet trim, the V neckline, peplum, continues around the back, comes in the peach, and then they also have it in the white eyelet. Also new shorts from Celebrity Pink. These have an elastic waistband, the little tie, ruffle trim in the peach, and they are going to be $14.50. Favorite tees from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline fitted through the body. Comes in navy, light blue, white. I think they also have red online. Those are $8. And then they also have a relaxed fit option. These have that crew neckline. Comes in the navy and white stripe. There's also gray, white, and black. And these are, I think these are also $8. Also new colors in these thong flip-flops from Time and Tru. These have the round toe, the one little like thin strap, in the new green, also in the rhinestone, and they're $8.98. How good are these bubble dresses from No Boundaries? Super soft and stretchy and ribbed at the top. They have the thicker strap, scoop neckline, seam detail at the waist, and then that flowy skirt with smocking in the back. And these are going to be $12.98. What they brought back, I rarely ever see No Boundaries bring back the same exact print and color, but they did do this with the sweatshirt. I had this one last year. The material is very similar. It's still that oversized fit, has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. This is the extra small. So I think they have the bigger sizes, but it's still the same graphic. So they have that pink with the heart. There's a blue kind of ombre look, and they are going to be $14.98. Also new active skirts from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, pleated. They're like, you can wear them as an active skirt, but I think you can also dress them up. They have these super soft shorts built in. How pretty is this yellow? Also comes in white, blue, and black, and they are only $8.98. New ombre longer dresses from No Boundaries. So this one has the removable strap, elastic at the top. It's that shiny pleated material with the slit. Same fit through the back in this red. It goes down to a purple. There's also teal, and they are going to be $10. New denim shorts from No Boundaries. This is a mid-rise 3-inch inseam. It has the raw hem, the little slit. These look pretty short. In the acid wash, also comes in dark indigo, and they are $9.98. New dresses from No Boundaries. So these are ribbed and stretchy, has a thin adjustable strap, built-in shelf bra, fitted through the front and the back in the navy, also comes in the green. Over here they have red and black, and they're going to be $5.98. So $6 for a dress. You could size up if you want more length and more of a relaxed fit. New tie front grommet top from Madden NYC. This one has the plunging V, this little tie detail. It has the black with the gold, and then it's open in the back with the halter neck. They are going to be $18, and it also comes in brown, also has the gold grommet. Cute little butterfly tank. This one has that high neckline, sleeveless. It is shorter but not. Also new textured dresses from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap V neckline, the little ruching. It's more of a fitted style with the squared back, and the lime also comes in black, and they're $10. One of my favorite dresses. It's so soft, like perfect to throw on, dress it up or down, and they're very affordable online. I would say this one's true to size. It also comes in a light blue with blue flowers, perfect for 4th of July. This one was regularly $10. It's now on sale in store for $7, but it's $6.99 online. New tank and short sets from Spun. So this is that soft, stretchy material. It has the V neckline, relaxed fit with the pull-on shorts. They also have pockets, and the lobster also comes in the dogs, and the 2 pieces are $9.98. And then they also have some more new skim suit. So this is the stretch cotton t-shirt bodysuit. Has the crew neckline, short sleeve, fitted through the body, thong back. I know this one's new. Comes in the black. They also have gray, white, and then I think the purple. Yeah, also the purple. And then I love those tanks. I have that in the black. There's the square in the gray, white, and black. I think these are $12.98, and the bodysuits are between $15 and $20. We also have new Lululemon waist bag, look for less, from No Boundaries. So these are $11.98. They have this new butter yellow color, which is the supposedly like the trending color. They also have red. I shared it in maybe the last shop with me. It looks like they only have the yellow and this clear left because I'm close to Disney today, so everybody probably grabs those. Aritzia, look for less, from No Boundaries. So this has that ruffle trim, the little tie, bell sleeve. These are $12.98. They also added them to the website, but they were originally $100. Also new sleeveless gauze top. This one has that rounded neckline, the little V, relaxed fit through the front, seam through the back. We saw some other colors. We also saw the shorts. They're available online only, and they're $12.98. Also new dresses from Time and True. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, midi length, or it's maxi length. These are longer with the seam in the back. They're very nice and stretchy. In the green, there's also pink and black, and they're $13.98. New colors in this acid wash tank from Time and True. So we saw the purple and black. Now it's in this white and black and blue. They have that high neckline. They're sleeveless, nice longer length. They're soft and stretchy. In the blue, also in the white and black. And they're $9.98. New t-shirt dresses from Time and True. These have that crew neckline, relaxed fit, longer length with the slit, and then the same fit through the back with the little pocket. Comes in the white and blue. There's also the black with the white, the purple acid wash, and then the black acid wash, and they're $13.98. New color in the tunic tees from Time and True. So these have that boat neckline, drop sleeve, scoop in the middle. It's a stretchy, super soft material. And this new green tie-dye, they have the coral, there's a turquoise, and these are $9.98. New fold over skirts from No Boundaries. These are so soft and stretchy. They have that fold over. They are on the shorter end, and they do have built-in shorts in the gray, also in the black, and these are $7.98. New graphic tees from No Boundaries. These have that crew neckline. It's super soft, stretchy. How cute, the little lobster. I love that one. They have this really pretty neon and farm fresh with the watermelon, and they are only $7.98. From No Boundaries, they're strapless, a little ruching on the side, flowy fit through the front and the back, and the red also comes in black, and they are $10. Also new active shorts from Avia. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, the dolphin hem, this little cargo pocket. Inside there's no lining. And then the same fit through the back. And the lavender also comes in, there's a brown, purple, there's green and black. And they are going to be $12.98. How cute is the matching set with the yellow? So Tank is from Athletic Works, has that scoop neckline, relaxed fit. It's a nice soft mesh material. Comes in the yellow, white, blue. On that side they have pink, navy, green, orange, black, $5.98. And then these shorts have a textured material, elastic waistband, the little dolphin hem. And no built-in lining. Comes in the yellow, beige. They have an orange and black, and they're $9.98. So basically almost under $15 for the two. It's $1 more, but really cute sets. And they also have a tee option. So this has that plunging V, relaxed fit. These are $6.98 in the yellow, green, white, black, light blue, dark blue, coral. And then under these they have a active skirt. So in that same kind of textured material with the built-in shorts. Comes in the white, blue, gray, and green. And these are $9.98. New tube tops from No Boundaries. So these look like they are cropped, super stretchy. Same through the front and the back in the blue. Also comes in white and red. I did see them in some other colors when I was doing the outfit ideas, and these are $4. New hats. So how cute are these? US Polo, really good look for less. In the pink, these are women's sizing. They also have the white with the blue, and those are $11.97. I love the Diet Coke hat. That one's also new, and it's $9.97. New Positive Tee tank. So these have that high neckline, sleeveless. How cute is the little flower print? Has that same relaxed fit through the back. They have this beige with the peace sign. It's really cute. There's pink that says boat wave, sunrise, lake days. Blessed with the heart. Mama, the flower. Faith can move mountains. And those are $6.98. On this side, new tanks from Way to Celebrate. These have that high neckline. They're sleeveless. Freedom in the USA. It scoops in the middle. They also have All American with the little bow. How cute. There's a tie-dye. The red, white, and blue, and those are $6.98. These new straw bags are also on sale online. So this is a really good look for less. It has the little tie in this pretty coral, also comes in brown. They're $10 and change. Don't wait on these. And then also on sale are these totes. So they have the 2 color options on major sale online. This one holds a lot. Someone put cookies in there. But they got the brown and black, also that multicolor, and these are on sale online for $14.25. How cute are these new tees? These have that crew neckline, ribbed with the little cutout from Avia in the green, light blue, and they're $14.98. I'm not sure if they still have these online, but this is one of my favorite pieces that I picked up this summer. It has the raw hem button zip from No Boundaries. It also comes in a paisley print, and these are $11.98. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.